For all your email management needs, look no further than Aweber, the preferred choice for geekoutdoors.com. Sign up today and you could get a 30-day free trial by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. Hey, welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. So in an earlier episode, I actually installed Windows 10 inside my Virtualbox, and everything worked fine except for the full screen option. Even after I installed guest editions in Virtualbox, I was having problems. It kept aborting and crashing. And so I tried it again, and it just randomly worked one time, or a few times actually. So the quote-unquote solution that I found was that just keep trying to restart it until it works. Okay, and so I know that's probably not the best solution, but I haven't spent too much time trying to research this. But I just wanted a full screen experience with Windows 10 I'm using it. So most of the times before, when I was using it, it would just abort. Okay, and so this time it works, but randomly. So sometimes it'll start just fine in full screen, but then sometimes it will abort like before. And if you do run into a situation where it aborts, then you would just have to, try it again, or close down Virtualbox and then try it again. And so I think there's something wrong, or some problems with Virtualbox and Windows 10. Now, if you don't use the full screen, no guest editions, then it works fine all the time. Okay, but I want the whole full screen experience. As you can see here, everything's in full screen. Okay, it works just fine, but it's random. And so if I shut this down, there's a possibility that it could not work the next time. Okay, but there's also a possibility that it will work as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that again. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this another try, and hopefully everything works just like before. And if it does happen where it crashes again, sometimes Windows 10 was, well, just like there it aborted. Sometimes it'll see it as a recovery issue, and so it'll try to recover it. So let's go ahead and try again. And I have tried this a few times where it just completely would lock the whole system, which is not something that's common on Linux desktops. Okay, but it did occur, so it aborted again. So what I'm going to do is, let me go ahead and shut down Virtualbox and then try it again. And so the only reason I'm doing this is because I want a full screen experience, but if it keeps crashing over and over and I can't ever get it started, then I might just have to use it in the Windows mode, because there it is. So that's the recovery. Let's go ahead and restart my PC. Because I'm mainly using this just to learn about Windows 10 and do comparisons against Linux. So hopefully this time it'll work. Oh no, okay. So let's try again. And hopefully there'll be a fix for this, because it would be nice just to have it full screen. That's the whole point, to having that full experience. Okay, great, this time it worked. Let's see if I could log in. And like I said, it's random, and so without doing way more research, I'm not really sure why, besides the fact that there's some issues with Virtualbox and Windows 10. So trying to figure out the permanent solution, I'm not sure. So as you can see, it works this time. Okay, so if you wanted full screen and you were using the latest version of Virtualbox with the latest Virtualbox guest editions to get full screen, at least on Linux Mint, my experience, Linux Mint 18.1, that is the issue that I'm running into. Like I said, if I didn't want the full screen experience, this works like all the time. It starts, no problem. Okay, so if you are a Linux user, specifically Linux Mint, and you are using Virtualbox and you're having similar issues in running Windows 10 in a Virtualbox when it comes to your full screen, please let me know. I don't want to spend too much time on it, but if I could find a permanent solution, that would be nice. Leave it in the comments area below as well. That would really help out myself and any other people who wanted to run Windows 10 full screen within Linux Mint in a Virtualbox. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you did get value out of these videos, leave a like and subscribe. And if you wanted to support my channel further, you could do that at patreon.com/geekoutdoors. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.